Can't believe I've had this one for 2 years now. Almost like my bagless model. This one's from 2008. These were discontinued in 2012. Yep. Made by TTI. This is made by TTI. This thing runs a lot better than that one I found at the Courtyard Center in Canton a couple months ago. That was a 2012 model. Yep. Very interesting how they actually have one there. Last time I was there, they had a Bissell, bagless. Then, when I returned a couple months ago, they had one of these. Yep. I think the fan on that one was bad in the bag. It was very dirty. I must have been using it quite a lot. This one's doing very well. I did learn that Matt Cat did replace the brush roll in this. He swapped the brush roll out of that one, put it in here before he gave it to me. So yeah, this one still runs pretty good, and so actually the brush roll that was originally in this one was put in that one later on. So still a great machine, and I'm gonna do a house run with it as soon as I end this video. But that's a 2-year update on it.